Do you want to know how you can listen to the top streaming or top hit song on Spotify? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can listen to the most streaming or the top hit song on Spotify. So go ahead and open Spotify on your PC or your browser. Then what you need to do is scroll a bit down and you can see the recommendations over here. So you can see the new music over here, so you can listen to the top new music which has been released this week or this day. So you can see this over here, or else you can go to the search bar and then search for top songs or something like this and it will appear. So if you scroll a bit down, you can see the top songs. Some of the playlists has been created by Spotify as well. So you can see the playlists over here. So there are top songs all over the world. You can listen to it according to your area, or you can also search top songs of 2012 or something like this and it will appear as well. So after you click it, you can see the most streaming songs of 2012. But if you go to top songs global, you can see the number of amount of plays will also be displayed, and these are the most streaming songs of this year or at least this week globally. So guys, this is how you listen to the most streaming and most top hit songs on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.